The next divine names are Awwal, which means the first, and Akhir, which means the last. When there was no creation, there was the first, Allah, the Exalted, and through His will and power the creation were brought into existence. The last can refer to the fact that when all created beings perish, He alone will endure, as He ever did. Chapter 55 Rahman, verses 26 to 27.
Everyone upon it, i.e. the earth, will perish. And there will remain the face of your Lord, owner of majesty and honor.
The Muslim who understands these names will ensure every action is connected to the first, Allah, the Exalted, by correcting their intention and actions. They will make the sincere obedience of Allah, the Exalted, their first priority in all their affairs. They will constantly remember their mortality, which will encourage them to prepare practically for their death and resurrection. This involves using the blessings one has been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. A Muslim must act on these names by being the first when doing good deeds and preparing for the Day of Judgment, and be the last when it comes to beautifying the material world. They will learn and act on Islamic knowledge so that they journey towards the closeness of Allah, the Exalted, and reach His presence, as this is the final stage a created being can reach. Chapter 54 Al-Qiyamah, verse 55.
In a seat of honor near a sovereign, perfect in ability.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.